Well, yes, the textile space has been in focus ever since the US has reduced the tariff on India. India's US textile tariff has been reduced to 18% from its earlier peak level of 15%. But while this makes a lot of India's exports to the US in terms of textiles and yarns competitive now and more attractive, there is a twist to this tale. And that is the fact that Bangladesh, which is India's neighbor, Bangladesh's overall tariff has been reduced to 19% from 20% earlier, bringing it very close to and in fact at par at the tariff that which US is charging India. And this Bangladesh's tariff is zero reciprocal tariff benefits from specific textile and apparel shipments made using US cotton and man-made fiber. So that is another point that works in the favor of Bangladesh. Now India has regained its cost competitiveness, no doubt. At 18% tariff, India now enjoys the lowest effective tariff among major textile exporters to the US. If you take a look at what this list looks like, India is at 18%, but names like Bangladesh, Thailand, Pakistan, Indonesia, all of them are at 19%, with Vietnam at 20% tariff. So yes, India is nominally lesser, but all of these tariff rates are more or less at par than with India. The textile sector, no doubt, has received a relief. Lower tariffs have restored order visibility, margin stability, buyer confidence, as well as cost competitiveness in US sourcing decisions. If you take a look at US export base, India's textiles exports to the US made up of around $10.6 billion in FY25, making share in India's total exports at 2.4%, and man-made textiles articles export to the US came in at roughly $2.95 billion. But here is how the Bangladesh concern plays out. Bangladesh has about 9 to 10% US apparel market share versus the existing 5 to 6% only that India has. The tariff differential has narrowed from 2% earlier to just 1% now, and in a low margin industry, even this 1% tariff matters quite significantly. Let's understand the risks to India's cotton yarn exports to Bangladesh. When it comes to Bangladesh, it imports cotton from Brazil about 23 to 24%, India 15%, West Africa 15 to 20%, and US 7 to 10%. Other than that, India exported $1.6 billion of cotton yarn in 2024 and $85 million worth of man-made fiber yarn. India has traditionally been the largest cotton yarn supplier to Bangladesh. So now, on the back of this tariff condition that US has put on Bangladesh, that a lot of its yarn and textile goods will be completely exempt from reciprocal tariff if Bangladesh uses US cotton. This puts a lot of India's shipments to Bangladesh at risk, and of course to the US as risk as well.